If you like to see how I'm going to completely transform these black Croc slides into these lovely, glamorous, beautiful, sparkly rhinestone embellished with chains and charms and rhinestones and pearls slides, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube! So today in this video, I'm going to be embellishing these Croc slides. These are a size 10 in women, and they are black, as you can see. So my cousin from Alabama, she sent me a pair of these Croc slides, one for her and one for her daughter. I'll be doing the second pair in a different video. And my cousin, my cousin really likes gold. She likes gold accessories, and I'm so glad she let me know this because I usually kind of go with silvers. So what I did was, I have my Croc charms here. I chose the ones that have like the outer gold area on them. So I made sure that, you know, I won't use all of these, but I'll figure out which ones I want to use. These all have like gold backings on them, so that really makes a difference. And she saw that I added some spikes, as you may have saw in my other videos. So I had some silver spikes. I went ahead and ordered gold spikes just because she likes gold. And I made them into my own little Croc charms. So I call these like hole fillers. I'll be doing a video soon to show you guys how I made these and what type of glue I used to make these. I've been so busy knocking people's shoes out, I haven't had the time to do my other type of videos. I also want to show you guys how I made these charms. I had these with her in mind as well. So these are like other different Croc charms if you're not into the designers. These are just some cute little Croc charms to have if you're into gold. These can be made in any color. And I really, really like these gold rhinestones. So I think these will look really nice. So I have some gold pearls, gold rhinestones. I have some yellow AB silverback jelly rhinestones. I have this gold chain. So I just want to have, I even have some gold letters. Not exactly sure if I'll use those or not. And you definitely want to make sure you use E6000 glue. You want to make sure that you're using some sandpaper just to kind of sand these down some. Then wipe it off with some alcohol. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do. I want to add one more color in here. I have a pinch of pink. And then I have a little bit of blue. I may add some blue. I'm not exactly sure yet. So I'm going to go ahead and get started and show you how I'm going to. Be sure to go ahead and take your sandpaper and really give them a nice scrub. They'll look a little ashy. Use some 70% alcohol, or whatever alcohol you have is fine. This is where I decide what charms I want to put inside of the Crocs. Because these slides are a little smaller and not much space, I'll do 2 to 3 of the luxury charms. Then there's some charms that I made. I made these, and I did have a video I just posted recently, my latest video. So if you want to see how to make your own charms with rhinestones and different colors or pearls, check that video out. Now I have these little hole fillers that I like to fill up all the holes before I get started adding anything to the shoe. So this is how it looks now. So because I'm using gold, I have some gold chain that I purchased off Amazon. I figured, let me see how this will look on here. So I go ahead and measure the piece out. I'm going to take some E6000 to go ahead and adhere that onto the shoe. So I'm adding a nice hefty amount because I don't want this to fall off. Making sure that I line that up properly right across the very edge of the shoe, and I think that looks very pretty. Now from here, I'm just basically going to just fill in all the spaces that you see between the hole fillers, which are the spikes, and the luxury charms, and also the other charms that I added to the shoe as well. So that's what I'm going to be doing for the remainder of this video. It will be sped up just for the time's sake of the video. So just go ahead and see how I just continue to just fill it in. As you can see, it gets fuller and fuller and fuller. I'm adding various sizes of rhinestones, mainly 5mm rhinestones, 8mm pearls, 10mm pearls. Then I like to go in between with a 3mm rhinestone to fill in any small little areas that I may not have gotten to fill up. I am almost finished with this shoe, and I'm going to be working on the second shoe in just a moment. I'll be doing the same process. These are the charms I picked out for the second shoe. Adding the charms first, sometimes I have to move some things around to make them fit properly or the way I want them to. And I like to use something sharp and put them in at an angle, because if you're not careful, these will break if you put way too much pressure on them. But for the most part, they're very, very sturdy. And if you like the vendor to where I purchased my luxury charms, I do have that available. There will be a link in the description. It's just for one vendor where I purchase all of my luxury charms. And if you'd like to order rhinestones in bulk or wholesale, I'll have my vendors list for that as well available. The link will be in the description. This is how the shoe looks with just the charms only, which is very pretty, by the way. And I know some of you may not be so extra like me or us other glitter glam girls, but you can just leave it here, and this is like super cute already, you know? But if you want to keep going, of course, that's your choice. Keep going and fill it up. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result of these adult size 10 Croc slides. I am in love with these. These are like super duper cute and extremely glamorous. Now let me tell you why I especially like these. This is my first time like really deep diving with the golds. Using my gold spikes. I wouldn't have even personally ordered gold spikes. I don't know why. I don't hate gold. Gold is beautiful. But when I had the silver spikes, my cousin was like, oh, those are fire. What about gold? Do they come in gold? I'm like, oh, I'll order some gold. So I got the gold. I already had the gold pearls, and it just made so much sense to go ahead and just go crazy with the gold. And I think these look very, 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 very pretty. I tried to use the luxury charms that had like gold trim on them, so it can kind of go along with the gold family here. And then the pink, she basically said I could do whatever I wanted to do, just like a nice little freestyle. But when she told me she liked gold, I just figured gold and pink would be really cute. I also like those little button charms I made. Again, I have a video showing how to make those charms if you want some different unique charms that you don't see everybody with. Those are a very cute idea. Thanks you guys for watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Share it on Facebook if possible. Share it with a friend who you know likes Crocs or Croc slides and may want to do something like this for their shoes. This would be cute for like a special occasion, for your birthday as a birthday gift to go with a birthday outfit, or just on a regular basis just to walk out the house in just to have something cute. I mean, it is summertime, so why not rock your Crocs with a little bit of glam, you know? And this is not very difficult to do. You can do this. Just take your time, get everything together that you want to have on them. Make sure you sandpaper them down, alcohol them off, and please use E6000. My first time I did these, I used Liquid Fusion and it did not work out right. So again, you guys, thanks for watching this video, and subscribe if you'd like to. If not, thank you so much for stopping by, and be sure to check out my Crocs playlist. I have a whole playlist of Crocs that I've rhinestone embellished and charms I've made, so check that out as well. Bye-bye.